All right, in this video, I'm gonna do a build out of a full process of using a form, a Zap, ConvertKit, and an automation of an email that goes out from ConvertKit as soon as someone fills out the form. And you could do a whole sequence of emails, but I'm just gonna show you how to do one and go through this. This is not scripted. This is literally on the fly. I'm doing this. So we have 3 forms, which you'll see what this looks like in a moment, that we want to have 3 different emails go to. So I'm gonna show you this process technically 3 times overall. So I already got the forms built out. We gotta connect Google Drive. I'm gonna do 3 separate Google Sheets just for the sake of simplicity in this case. All right, so first thing is this, be baptized, this one. I'm gonna do storage, Google Drive. It's gonna ask me to log in. I need to log into the right email. It's gonna be part of the organizational email here. So I'll click on that. It'll say, are you sure? It'll ask me what the title is. This will be baptized. All right, and then when I hit back, that's when it saves it. That's when it creates it. So we're good. So we have email. You have to have email. I like having both because it's a backup, right? So it goes to email and then it goes to Google Drive. Anytime I set up a form, even if I'm not doing a fancy thing like this, I like having them both set up. Once that's done, we'll go to the next form and then do the same thing. The simple process. Are you sure? Yes, allow. This one is church leader. So we just want to make sure we're doing it right because the forms are actually identical. Submissions. It'll save that. If I did open up Sheets, you're going to see it's creating. So be baptized, submit. So it's just created these right now. So that's just perfect. It's showing us it's working. And then we'll do the volunteer one. Same thing. Make sure email is good. It is Google Drive. Connect. What email? This email here. Are you sure? Yes, allow. Then you just gotta make sure you spell volunteer right. Submissions. And as soon as I hit back, it saves it and you'll see it creates it. Boom, we got all 3. So we're good to go there. So I'm gonna click out of this and then hit save. Now, let me refresh. So these forms are good. I do wanna do a test of each form before I go to Zaps because it's gonna need to pull data from somewhere. So if I go to these Google Sheets and I'm gonna just hold down Control and open these in new tabs, Sheet 1. Perfect. I'm just going to leave that as is, but these are all set up right. So we're good to go. So now I just need to do 3 test submissions. So I'm just going to type this in. Cool. So submit. Oh, it doesn't like this. Okay. Submit. Cool. Now I'm going to go here, do the same thing. Never mind. I need to fix the spacing between that button, but I'll do that later. So now each of these forms just got a response. Now we're good to go into Zaps. So I create the first one. Let me show you what I've done and what we need to do. Oh, actually we need to do one more thing. So a lot of this is setup, okay? We just gotta do a lot of setup. So I'm gonna go to, in ConvertKit, I'm gonna go to landing page and forms. Basically we have to create a quote unquote form. That's where people get imported into, or a tag. So we'll see. It looks like I already created the 3 forms. We might not need this, but if we do need this, I'm just gonna show you how I did this. So I just clicked create a form and then I selected the Pine template. It kind of doesn't matter, but you could see here, general, I selected Pine and then I just added in fields. This is a little wonky to me the first time I did this, but you just click the plus sign and then you give this a specific field. So I just put first name. So it says, tag or custom field, first name, custom field name, first name. Cool. All right. So we have first name set here. If I want to do a new thing, I just do I just have to write in last name or phone number or whatever that is. We don't really need any of that in here. So maybe I'll just do church, create custom field. Boom, like that, hit save. Then I'll go back. And then I basically duplicate those forms out. This is kind of the starting point. But when we create an automation, we have to do something where, in this case, they're getting tagged. Go to edit. So here it's saying when an event happens that they're tagged with be baptized, okay? Then do an email sequence. The interesting part here is that you have to do a sequence because there's not really a broadcast because broadcasts are different. So you just have to create sequences. So I actually don't need those forms I just did, but here we go. So in a sequence, come in here and then create sequences. I already created the template. So you'll see here's the template. And then this sequence we call be baptized and it just be one email. It doesn't have to be a bunch of emails. Be baptized sequence. And then I come in here, write it, do the settings, get all that dialed. But let me go back to the automation and go to visual automation. And then here, I'll show you how this works. Edit. And then, okay, so once somebody's here, we action, send them an email sequence. It'll ask you which one. And you'll say be baptized sequence. Boom. add event. We just got to do this 3 times now. So we have to build this and then save it and then build the emails, which I still got to do. So I'll do that later. We have to create 3 of these automations and then we have to create 3 of the sequences. But once that's all dialed, we can start doing this. This is how it works. Let me just start with a new one. So create new Zap. So what we want to do is Google Sheet. We want to choose an event, new or updated spreadsheet row, new spreadsheet row. In this case, we want to do new spreadsheet row. We'll hit continue. From what account? This is the correct account. We'll hit continue. Which spreadsheet? It'll pull up all of them. And so you'll see all of these. So in this case, this is going to be, we're going to do church leader titled church leader Zap. So then we're good to go there. Cool. And then worksheet is going to be sheet 1. Okay. We'll hit continue. This is why we added information in, because when we hit test trigger, it's going to pull in that information and that tells us it's working. So you can see here, it is working great. Then we're going to do this and we're going to go to ConvertKit. This is action 2. This is a lot. It's really simple when you got everything dialed. Event. Now, this is important. So let me zoom in. You could add a subscriber to a form. That's what I was originally going to do. And then you take the form. It is a lot. But I'm going to add a tag because I actually need these people tagged in the long run. So I'm going to do add a tag to a subscriber. I'll hit continue. Same account. And then here we just got to specify what information there it's importing. So which tag, and in this case, this is church leader. So we're going to do church there. The email, we just got to see all options and pick email. That's the right column. First name, right here, it's putting both names into one. Well, we might change that, but for now, I'll just leave that. And then church, cool. I don't know if we need that long term, but we're just doing it. One thing I'm going to do actually is I'm going to go back into here. I'm going to go to my subscribers. Okay, so let me click on this tag selector. I'm going to change this to city and then hit save. And then you could add new fields. Do I want to add phone number? At this rate, I'm just going to do it all. What is this? Field name, phone number, field value. Perfect. Update subscriber. Perfect. So we have all of that now because I don't know, we don't necessarily need to do that, but I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to do refresh fields just so you'll see there. Boom. Zapier is so good at that. Okay, city, so we'll do city, and then phone number, we'll do phone, and then hit continue. And now it's gonna do a test action, publish Zap. And then one other thing I'm gonna do, just to really get us all on the same page, I'm gonna go to volunteer. As I do the volunteer one, I'm gonna adjust the email. I'll just do that. That's another email of mine. Okay. We got a lot of emails options. Okay, go to my Zaps. So in some ways I could just duplicate that and this one could be turned on, but I'm just gonna go through that process again just for our sake. Okay, cool. Here we're gonna go to the Google Sheet, same thing, event, new spreadsheet row, what account, are you sure, spreadsheet. This is gonna be volunteer, correct, worksheet. So cool how it does this. Okay, continue. I'm just gonna do volunteer, Zap, cool. Test the trigger. All right, it's good. It got the new email, so we're good there. So now I'll go to ConvertKit. The new email is important so I can see the new line item show up. Add tag to subscriber. Continue, continue. Same thing as before. Which tag? In this case, it'll be volunteer, then it'll be email. And then again, you don't have to do all of these, but I am doing them. Cool, church, boom. Cool, city, boom. And then phone, perfect. Continue. Really easy when you got everything. Okay, so test action. Now I go here, give it a second. I'm gonna refresh. You'll see literally just like that, it's added that new subscriber in. Again, the volunteer count right here still shows 0. I checked it the next day and then it said 1. So, but if I go to volunteer, you're gonna see that email pops up there. So we're good to go overall. So let me turn this one on, publish, and then I'll go turn on the third one. And then basically we'll have all 3 on and be good to go. I do need to do one update to the Be Baptized one because we added those fields. Go to my Zaps. Okay, so 2 things I wanna do here. Let me click into this. Edits, details, just view. All right, so this new spreadsheet row, yep, that's good. Add tag to subscriber, that's good. Cool, continue. account, correct. Oh, and if you need to connect the account, it's really easy to do. So don't sweat that one. I didn't go through that one here, but it is honestly really easy. Okay, so first name, church, perfect, city, and the last one is phone number. Oh wow, I just showed my phone number to everyone. Hopefully we could blur that out if this gets published on the internet. Okay, continue. This is good. Publish Zap. Do I need to test it? No, not really. Cool. So that is all good and that is all dialed. Go to my Zaps. Those are set. So in my case, everything is good to go except the last part, which is now I need to go in here and create 3 sequences, not broadcast, sequences, because that's the only thing you could automate. You can't automate a broadcast because a broadcast is like a message to your audience at a specific time. A sequence you could automate and you only need 1 email. You could put as many emails as you want, but if you have 1, that's perfect. So in here, I need to create 3 of these for the automation and then set up the automations and we're good to go. And we are set. 20 minutes in, literally did such an advanced thing. And then I just need to go back to this site here, make this live. I think this is ready to go live. So I'm gonna do that now here and go from there.
If you got value from this video, let me know by hitting that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells the YouTube algorithm some important information, but it also tells me that you got value from this video. And if you want more content like this, please subscribe. And with that, have a great day wherever you are in the world. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.